Hello everyone, welcome back to another day of the 21-day yoga challenge, and today we will be doing the Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana, or the upward facing dog. Now this is a posture which is confused a lot with cobra, and in this video we learn how you can easily progress and do better in this posture so that there are no pains on the lower back and yet you open up the chest like you should. So let's get straight into it. So I don't have a beginner variation for this posture, but don't worry, as we move along with this video I will be discussing in depth some of the common mistakes that are usually done. So let's see how it comes on in a vinyasa. So mostly this posture will come from a Chaturanga. So I'm starting from a tabletop position. So with my wrists shoulder width apart and my feet hip width apart, from here I'm going to curl my toes in, lift up, get over, come into a Chaturanga. From here I'm going to push forward, drop my feet flat on the floor, roll my shoulders back, take that chest out and gaze back. Now some of the common mistakes people do is, first, that people confuse this with cobra pose. So I've seen a lot of people do this pose with their feet and knees on the floor and then straightening up the legs. So that's not upward facing dog. And notice when I do this, I'm not engaging my feet at all. I'm not engaging my leg muscles at all. If you do this as a passive stretch, it's still kind of okay, but if you're gonna do this long term, if you're gonna do it for 5 to 6 breaths, you're gonna have a lower back pain. That's not what you want. So let's see again what we need to be doing in this posture. So feet flat on the floor, my quadriceps are engaged, my glutes are engaged, and I roll back my shoulders to take that chest out and lift up. So I'm actively pushing my palms down on the mat and my legs are also flexed. Another common mistake people do is when they can come here, they kind of sink in their shoulder blades together, so the neck is somewhere here and they're gazing back. Again, something which shouldn't be done. From here, whenever you feel like correcting yourself, lift your shoulders up, roll them back, shoulder blades together, chest out, gaze up. Another mistake, very common mistake, is with the palms, and this is something that I correct in every video. I emphasize that whenever you're doing any kind of posture where you're pushing the mat down, your palms have to be first, fingers have to be spread out, your palms have to be distributing the weight evenly. I kind of make spider fingers because that way I can put a lot of pressure on the tips of my fingers as well. Whatever works well for you, just make sure that your weight is evenly distributed on your palms. So again, let's just try it once more. So with my fingers spread out, I'm going to do a Chaturanga. From here I roll forward, kneecaps off the floor, legs engaged, shoulders push back, chest out, gaze up. You can stay here as long as you want in this posture. If you're doing it correctly, you will never have back pain. I hope you like this video. Do share it with friends and family who can use it, and I shall see you tomorrow with another video.